talk fast. I gotta get this out of my mouth. Christian, don't forget who the enemy is. Christian, are you listening to me? The enemy wants us to assume that the moment we disagree with someone, they're against us and they're attacking us. But we are allowed to disagree. We are allowed. I gotta clean up. I can't just sit stationary. So many things. The devil is real, people. I'm talking to you right now. I'm cleaning my bedroom. I'm picking up the clothes my husband never puts away. And I'm talking to you right now. Without love, it's all useless. It's all nothing. We have to love people even when we don't agree with them. If we're finding our actions motivated by anger, we're dead. Our ministry is nothing. It's cut off. There are so many things that we can disagree about that we feel are really important, that we feel really convicted about, but we can't push our convictions onto others. And I'm preaching to myself right now because I know that is a thing that I do. I get super passionate and I'm just like, think like me. And I'm wrong. I'm a human being. I struggle with maturity. I struggle with taking criticism. Oh, goodness me. Brains. God has a victorious life for us. Sleeping. God has got an awesome, awesome life for us. With fellowship, with unity, and we can get in the way of God's best so easily by worrying about people not agreeing the way we do. You know what? It's about Jesus. And if we would affirm our relationship with Him through our relationship with each other and through our dealings with each other, we would come across a lot better to the world. And sometimes we have to be open to critique and criticism from somebody younger than us because God uses everyone. God could use a 12-year-old to call me out on immaturity, to call me out on attitude. You know, He could do that. Talk about humbling. Wouldn't that just stink? We have to not be too proud to accept that we don't know it all. And we have to not jump defensively. I know I really need to listen to that myself. Because being defensive is like my go-to defense mechanism. Ooh, I wrote a poem about defense mechanisms. Morton's home. Hey, Morton.
Hello.
I think I should share that poem, but maybe I don't know. That's what I've got for now.